Hello, I'm Jill Erbach. Today we're going to make a champagne punch mocktail. Sometimes you want a special occasion drink, but you just don't want the alcohol that goes with it. Or maybe you've got a variety of people coming over and some of the guests are either underage or not drinking alcohol, and you want to have something fun to be able to offer them. This champagne punch mocktail is sure to please. This recipe is for 2 servings, and you can adjust the ingredients as needed if you want to serve more. For this recipe, we will need 1 ounce of a raspberry seltzer, and I actually just had a raspberry lime, but I think the lime's gonna taste nice in this recipe, so I'm not worried about that. 1/2 ounce of orange juice concentrate, and I just took a frozen orange juice, thawed it in the fridge, took out my 1/2 ounce for the recipe, and I'll make orange juice with the rest. 2 ounces of pineapple juice, 8 to 10 raspberries, 3 ounces of ginger ale, and for our champagne substitute, we want sparkling white grape juice. Now, my store was all out of sparkling white grape juice, so I made my own. You can do that with white grape juice mixed with a dry sparkling mineral water. I used this brand, Gerolsteiner, which I found actually in the health food section of my grocery store. And you'll want to mix that in 1 to 3 parts. So 1 part of the sparkling mineral water to 3 parts of the white grape juice, which I've done right here. Now you'll want to get yourself a mason jar or something in which to mix the ingredients. And you're just going to add your seltzer, your orange juice concentrate, your pineapple juice. I'm going to use this same measuring cup for my 3 ounces of ginger ale. I love these measuring cups because you don't have to squat down and kind of look at them at counter level. You can just look from above and see the measurements. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Now mix them up a little. You're gonna split some of this. This actually makes kind of 2 servings and then some. So you're going to split this between 2 flutes. Then you're going to add your raspberries, about 4 or 5 to each glass. I love my champagne glasses. These are Country Garden by Miller Rogowska. It's a pattern I registered for 29 years ago when I got married, and I still love it. Once your raspberries are in, you're going to add your mock champagne. Remember the sparkling grape juice. And there you have it, your champagne punch mocktail. That is good. If you'd like to see the champagne version of this recipe, you can click the card above, or I'll put a link in the description below. And if you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button and that little notification bell, and I'll let you know the next time I post a video. Cheers!